How to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to enable or disable sensitive content on Telegram, what you're simply going to do is, first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device. After you've done that, in the top left corner of your screen, you can see a three-bar option. Click on it, then go to Settings. After that, under settings, you can see the option which says chat settings on the top. Click on chat settings, then it will direct you to this sort of page. After you've gone to this page, scroll to the bottom of the page. Now you can see the option which says other settings over here, and under it you can see four options. In the second option, you can see show 18 plus content. If you toggle this, then it will be turned off, then it won't show any sensitive content. If you click on it again, then go to confirm, it will show sensitive content. So this is how you can enable sensitive content on your Telegram app. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next one.